Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on your WhatsApp and then click on app info. Now here you can see the option notifications. Now click on it. Now here you can enable your all WhatsApp notifications. After that, go back and then click on mobile data and Wi-Fi and then unrestricted data usage button on. After turning this button on, then go back and then click on storage and cache and then clear your WhatsApp storage. After clear your WhatsApp storage from here, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and then click on system and then click on reset options and then click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and then again click on reset and then click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.